Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans here. Today we're going to take you around a super high spec, short wheelbase, late 2020 registered Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's on a 70 plate in beautiful Ravenna Blue. Got a great factory spec and some super extra enhancements. As you can see, it's got the full ABT styling kit, including the grille there. Gloss black the rest of the grills too, and the ABT badge. Just got a contrasting VW badge, and then the modified 4Motion badge too. LED lights, expensive but lovely option to have on these. Suspension wise, this is sitting on Bilstein Comfort coilover suspension, so it rides really well even though it sits quite nice and low. 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels with Bridgestone tyres all round. It's got the ABT side skirts too, and gloss black pack even extends to around the mirrors here. Full privacy tints to the rear of the vehicle. As we move inside, we've got a black leather seating with contrast blue stitch, centre perforations. As mentioned, super factory spec. We've got twin electric sliding doors, Discover Media navigation system with wireless app connect, heated front seats too. Now, front and rear park sensors and aircon are standard on this vehicle, as is adaptive cruise control. In the rear, we've got the 2+1 rear seating system, so you can lever this up. Gives you access to the rear where you can see it's got some tailgate spotlights, and we have also got roof LEDs too in the suede lined roof, all carpet lined around the metalwork and then suede on the panels. So nice finish, nice set of carpet mats in the vehicle too. It is a twin sliding door model. This is also the absolute top of the range, so this is a bi-turbo with a DSG gearbox and 4Motion. So it really is the best you can get. Now, a lot of people put the front ABT spoiler on, but don't go to the expense of putting all the rear stuff on. This has got the full rear valance, really finishes it off nicely, and also the high level roof spoiler. So that back end looks absolutely superb, especially with the smoke lights and lenses too. Great order in the back of the vehicle. Got a 12 volt and double USB point there as well. Only done just a shade under 15,000 miles. No dents down the side there, as you can see. I'll just give you a side view of this because it really does look quite special. As with any used vehicle, there will be the odd little chips that we've touched in on it, probably most likely bonnet and front bumper there, as inevitable to pick up stone chips in 15,000 miles. Nothing untoward though, anything that I see I'll point out to you. 14,935 miles, as you can see there. Now, a couple of upgrades we can do. We can do a carbon leather steering wheel upgrade. We can also do a digital dash upgrade now on these T6.1s. So if you're interested in either of those options, just talk to us. We can have a look at the price for you. This one's still VAT qualifying, so if you're purchasing through a VAT registered business, you may be able to reclaim some or all of the VAT. So all in all, super looking van, great spec and low mileage. 20 plus photos on our website at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We've got both business and personal finance facilities available, and we do take part exchanges. So if you're interested, pick up the phone, give us a call. Love to have a chat with you about it, and thanks for looking.